Have you ever felt that you have big goals but lack the energy to begin? From a psychological perspective, this is not a sign of laziness or weak character. It is often a result of how the brain manages effort, reward, and mental energy. According to cognitive psychology and neuroscience, the brain naturally avoids high cognitive effort, seeks immediate rewards and minimal discomfort, conserves energy for survival and urgent situations. Why does the brain resist starting? When a goal feels too large, unclear, or overwhelming, the brain interprets it as a threat. This activates the amygdala, pushing the nervous system into a stress response. As a result, the brain shifts behavior toward easier, low-effort activities, such as scrolling on social media, watching TV, gaming. Procrastinating, or avoiding the task completely, is known in psychology as behavioral avoidance. Research suggests that inaction is often caused by high cognitive load, not a lack of motivation. The brain loves clarity. When you don't know exactly where to start, your brain experiences confusion and mental overload. This can lead to decision paralysis, where you delay action because choosing feels difficult. That's why vague goals like, "I want to change my life," create resistance. But clear goals like, "Today I will study for 10 minutes," feel manageable and reduce mental friction. Principle 1. Goal chunking. Behavioral psychology shows that breaking large goals into small, manageable steps reduces mental resistance. Writing one sentence feels psychologically safer than writing an entire book. Small wins activate the brain's reward system and create momentum. Principle 2. Habits over willpower. Psychological studies confirm that willpower is limited, especially under stress or fatigue. Habits, however, are stored in the basal ganglia, requiring less mental energy. This is why environment design works better than motivation. Examples: prepare your workout clothes in advance. Remove distractions from your workspace. Set a fixed time for the behavior. Principle 3. The 2-minute rule. Based on the concept of activation energy, the hardest part of any behavior is starting. Committing to just 2 minutes lowers resistance and increases follow-through. Principle 4. Rewards and positive reinforcement. Learning psychology shows that positive reinforcement strengthens behavior repetition. Even small rewards train the brain to associate action with pleasure, making the behavior easier to repeat over time. Principle 5. Identity-based habits. A powerful strategy is linking behavior to identity. Instead of saying, "I want to work out," say, "I'm the kind of person who takes care of my health." This builds long-term consistency because your brain sees the behavior as part of who you are. Scientific conclusion: successful people don't rely on constant motivation. They rely on systems, clarity, habit design, and repetition. Failure is not the opposite of success. It is a necessary part of learning and brain adaptation. The key is simple: start small, repeat daily, and let momentum do the rest.
If you enjoyed this content, show your love, share, subscribe, and comment. Goodbye!